Hello, my name is Oliver. Are you dealing with large data amounts and complex systems? I would like to show you our tool OMrun. Grab a coffee, have a seat, and please join. OMrun Test Object Program. A test object program contains a complete start configuration of an executable file. It is not limited to external batches, PowerShell scripts, or other executables, but also able to invoke OMrun internal built-in plugins. What is the content of a test object program? We see here a test object called test program object 1 with one entry on the parameter list. The first drop-down program call offers all possible program types in OMrun. The selected option Housekeeping is a built-in plugin which archives old result files from your business system. The dark blue console element in the middle of the screen shows log information during execution time. We will come back on this later. The parameter list holds all modified configuration values to execute the program call. There are 4 parameter fields and a remark field to configure. Built-in plugins, such as Housekeeping, offer a tooltip hint for the content options of each parameter. Results are shown on the bottom of the screen and present some details of all past executions. How to execute a test object? With the execution of a test object by button execute, the executable will be called as configured and the console element will show all execution log details instantly. The result will be produced and shown directly after execution and at the result area below. This last green result here shows that the program execution was processed successfully. Thanks for watching. There are much more tutorials to check out. Happy comparing and see you next time.